A voice calculator app for Android is a user-centric software application that allows users to perform mathematical calculations effortlessly using voice commands. Leveraging advanced speech recognition technology, these apps interpret spoken words and translate them into mathematical expressions. This functionality enables users to verbally input numbers, operations, and even complex equations, streamlining the calculation process and making it more intuitive, especially for those who prefer hands-free interaction. The best voice calculator apps typically offer a variety of features, including a sleek and user-friendly interface, precise voice recognition capabilities, and support for a wide range of mathematical functions. Additionally, many of these apps include features such as calculation history, unit conversions, and the ability to handle scientific or statistical calculations. Some may even integrate with other applications or provide customizable settings to enhance user experience. These apps are particularly beneficial for busy individuals, students, and professionals who need to perform quick calculations without interrupting their workflow. By facilitating ease of use and efficiency, voice calculator apps contribute to a more productive environment for everyday tasks and complex problem solving.